Let's make kimchi salad pasta in a jar. Our tomato kimchi worked perfectly with this dish, and it was so easy to make, and it's really fun to bring it to a picnic or even to work. This kimchi salad pasta is not only just pretty to look at, but it's also really delicious and refreshing. First off, we're gonna fill the bottom with amazingly delicious Jenna's tomato kimchi. One of the best things about using this tomato kimchi is that the flavor is just so complete, so you don't really have to add any other seasoning or sauce. Any short pasta will be great, just make sure to cool it off a little so that it will be refreshing. And then add some rucola or baby spinach. And then I added some truffle oil, but if you want, you can replace it with olive oil. Let's also add some nutritional yeast and roasted walnuts. And then we're done. Keep it in the fridge and then bring it to your work or a picnic.